Is the global economy on the precipice of a new era? Are our government structures robust enough to navigate the uncharted waters of the 21st century? These are not merely philosophical questions. They are urgent, practical concerns that require immediate attention. Dive into the world of economic and governmental reforms. It's a realm where the state plays the role of an arbitrator, ensuring both external and internal security, regulating macro and microeconomic activities, and safeguarding the effectiveness of political and legal systems. It's a place where finance and public administration intertwine, focusing on health protection and education, tasks that are too large for any individual, social group, or private capital to undertake alone. Consider the case of a hypothetical country, where the economy is a social science comprised of two inseparable blocks, microeconomics and macroeconomics. The macroeconomics of this country are shaped by the management of microeconomic subjects, individuals, households, jobs, and businesses. The tax system serves as the management tool, expressed in a concrete fiscal load that doesn't exceed critical values for each financial level of an economic subject, and the principle of progression commensurate to income level. Let's examine this country's economy, which is evaluated based on GDP and income per capita, but not on average nominal size, but on layers of income of its citizens. This allows for resource growth from the hired employee to the investor through education level, skills, experience, qualification, and efficiency of reproduction. The fundamental basis of this country's development is the economic space of microeconomic subjects. It relies on philosophy, practice, and respect for freedoms in the rights of its citizens. However, the regressive tax system of some countries creates conditions for crime escalation and widespread corruption. This, in turn, leads to unfair punishments and higher degrees of injustice, conflicts in economic, social, humanitarian, and political areas, and a concentration of resources in the military-political sector. It results in dissatisfaction with the authorities, a surge in radical manifestations, and a weakening of statehood. Most operating groups, industrial and financial oligopolies, built on corruption spirals of corporatism, either do not understand the advantages of the reverse algorithm of actions or are simply unaware of it. But the consequences of inadequate management of statehood involve losses in territorial integrity or lead to an extreme form, the disintegration of international state jurisdiction. Such disintegration of internationally recognized jurisdiction creates an expanding absorption effect of continental or global character in technogenic, political, and economic crises. But it doesn't have to be this way. Economic and governmental reforms can pave the way for a more equitable and prosperous future. They can help us navigate the challenges of the 21st century and build societies where everyone can thrive. So delve deeper into these reforms, understand them, advocate for them, because the future of our global economy and our governments depends on it.